Ever had fish die hours or even minutes after putting them in your tank? These are the top 3 deadly mistakes new aquarists make that can kill fish instantly. Before we dive in, hit that subscribe button if you care about keeping your fish healthy and your tank thriving. The number 1 silent killer? Adding fish to an uncycled tank. When there's no established bacteria to convert ammonia to nitrite, and then to nitrate, ammonia spikes occur fast, and that burns fish gills and suffocates them. Putting fish straight into the tank from a store bag, that can kill them in seconds. Temperature changes of more than 2 to 3 degrees Fahrenheit can shock their system, causing immune failure, stress, or even heart failure. Tap water without a conditioner is deadly. Most municipal water is treated with chlorine or chloramine, both of which are toxic to fish and kill beneficial bacteria instantly. Quick recap: always cycle your tank before adding fish. Acclimate slowly to avoid temperature shock. Treat tap water to eliminate chlorine and chloramine. Avoid these mistakes and your fish will thank you. Like, subscribe, and drop a comment if you've ever learned the hard way. We've all been there.